Assalamualaikum dear students. This is your English lesson and I am your teacher Hina Zafar. Today is 28th of January 2021. Let's begin our topic. Okay, we are gonna start the new topic, new unit, that is unit 7, fantasy. So before I move forward, I want to explain that what fantasy is. Fantasy is a world of imagination. Okay, whatsoever you imagine, whatsoever you think, okay, you are physically, for example, present on some physically present somewhere, and you are not mentally present, and in your mind whatsoever imagination, whatsoever thoughts that are coming in your mind, whatsoever story that you are building in your mind, okay, that world is basically called as fantasy. Okay, a pleasant situation that you enjoy thinking, which is unlikely to happen. Sometimes it so happen that you move into the world of fairyland, of imagination, that is not real, that is not possible in the real life. Okay, and whatsoever you imagine, that really give you satisfaction, that really give you happiness. Okay, and that is sometime that is not possible to happen in the real life. Okay, so this world of imagination, world of thoughts, okay, whatsoever you are thinking in your mind, okay, that is basically known as fantasy. Okay, so here we have creative writing regarding this fantasy, regarding this very thing on page number 133. I'm gonna read it. Some people claim that they had supernatural experience. Supernatural क्या होता है basically? Supernatural is regarding the ghost, spirit, these kind of thing. Okay, have you experienced any? This is basically the fantasy life or the fantasy world. Sometimes you imagine some horror, terrible moments, terrible thinking, dreams, and all the stuff like that are in your mind, that are coming and going in your mind. We are talking about that very thing. Okay, have you experienced any anything like that regarding or related to the ghost, supernatural creatures, or the spirits? Okay, then is, do you believe in spirits, or these are just fairy tales? Okay, do you have this very belief that ghost or spirits or supernatural creature, they exist or no? Okay, you are supposed to tell this very thing. First of all, you are supposed to tell your experience. If you have any kind of experience, and then you are supposed to tell that do you believe in these kind of things, or these are just fairy tales, kahaniyan type cheez hai ye. Okay, you are supposed to tell this very thing. Should we believe in supernatural creature? In this very caption, in this very statement, we have a lot of questions that you are supposed to tell in detail. Should we believe in it? Are we supposed to believe in ghosts, in supernatural creatures, or no? Okay, what do you think? What is your thinking? What is your mentality? What do you know? What do you think? What do you want to say about this? This is all that you want to write in the form of creative writing, in the form of paragraph. Okay, I'll help you out. I just made some points here. I want to explain that thoroughly so that you may come to know that how to write this very thing. Okay, what you are supposed to write? Your point of view about ghosts. Do they exist? Okay, your point of view about the ghost. First of all, you are supposed to tell, is this a real thing? Are these creatures, is this a real thing or no? Or is their existence is a true thing, or it is some false thing, or it is some fantasy type of a thing? Your experience, if you have any. Okay, which if you have any kind of experience regarding this thing, you are supposed to tell that very thing. Your feelings at that time when you experience that. If you have experienced that very, if you have seen that very thing, or if you have felt that very thing, if you have felt the presence of somebody else, here is the ghost, the spirit, supernatural creatures. Okay, supernatural creature is a new word for you people. That is why I'm again and again saying ghost, spirit, and supernatural. Okay, if you have that very thing, so what was your feeling at that time when you experienced that thing? Okay, were you afraid? Were you afraid, or you are this much brave that you know cop up with each and everything? Did you tell anybody the experience which you experienced? What you wanna say about that? Were you afraid, or you told anybody, or you didn't tell anybody? So what was that? Okay, what was your condition? Obviously this is the thing that you are supposed to tell, that which type of condition you were having at that time. Okay, you faint, behosh ho gaye, yeah, you were afraid, yeah, you told somebody. Okay, so these all points you are supposed to, this can be a real incident as well, real story as well, real paragraph as well. Okay, your real experience. And secondly, this can be fantasy, the world of imagination as well. That is why the topic name is unit 7 is regarding related to the fantasy. You can write in the form of imagination, your fantasy, your thoughts, your whatsoever, you in the form of this thing. Okay, or it can be a real experience as well. Okay, I just wrote here few of the words. You can use these words as well, and try your level best to think about new words. Okay, some different words, and do write on the rough notebook, any rough page. In last time when I told you how to write a paragraph, I told you each and everything. You can watch that or go through that lecture as well. It will be very easy. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज साइलेंस. मैजिक और स्पेल, मैजिक और स्पेल एक ही चीज़ है. घोस्ट, स्पेल बाउंड, स्ट्रेंज, स्ट्रेंज साउंड्स, शेडो, evil, alarming, blood, bones, knife, anger. Okay, these kind of words, dark type of words you can use. Okay, your homework is write about the given topic on page number 133 by using the points as explained. Okay, you are supposed to think about this very thing first of all. Whenever you are gonna write any creative writing, any paragraph writing, any essay, you are supposed to think. You are supposed to write the points, whatever the thoughts that are coming in your mind. You are supposed to write that very thing. Then you need to consult the points, these points which I told. Okay, and after that you need to check out this word bank. Any word you can use. These are very limited words. Okay, you can use some other new words as well. Okay, and I want you students to enjoy writing this very thing. When you are gonna enjoy this very thing, obviously you are gonna write something amazing, something great. Okay, this is all for today. And students, I want to say that you are supposed to write it by yourself. Do not take any help from Google or your elder sisters and brother. I just help you. You can take help, but don't do this very thing that somebody else write for you people. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you so much.